Celebrity Millennium, Sky Suite, Deck 6, Room 102, room tour. We've just arrived, so bear with us. So as we walk in the door, on the right hand side, we have wardrobes with umbrellas and lovely robes. Really nice and soft actually, the robes. Plenty of hanging space. Then next to that, we have another wardrobe with shelves. We've got binoculars, we've got a free bag, a little safe, a couple of extra drawers there. I think Rachel might allow me to use them for my clothing. Then we get a free tote bag. Directly opposite from there we have the bathroom, which is quite compact and bijou, shall we say. It's a lovely sink area with some nice amenities, and then we've got a bath and shower combo. So it's one of the Celebrity's older ships, so actually it's showing its age a little bit, and then there's a little toilet there and a cubby to put bits and bobs. So that's the bathroom. Plenty of space under there for toilet rolls and everything else. Little hallway, then we have a little space here with some more shelving. We have a little desk and a mirror. The little desk has 2 drawers, fairly decent size, and actually underneath there's some more drawers, so there's plenty of drawer space. Plenty of plugs, USBs and European and American, I'm guessing. Big mirror, and we'll come round. We've got a sofa, plenty of pillows and cushions. We've got a little stool table thing, nice bit of artwork. Then we have the bed, lovely big bed. Don't seem to be many plugs around by the sides of it, but I'm sure we'll find some somewhere. Again, there's some artwork around the room, a little bit more there. A TV on the wall, fairly decent size. Free milk, free sugar, water, shall we say. There's some glasses. We've got a free bottle of champagne, 2 glasses. More cupboard space there and there, and mini bar and some more cupboard space. The mini bar's stocked with a couple of bits and bobs, so some Cokes, some San Pellegrino, some Heineken and some Evian water. Again, that's stocked up as you want as part of the Sky Suite package. Then we have a balcony where we have Rachel on the sofa, and then we have a little table and 2 chairs. Again, the ship's old, it's showing signs of wear in places, but do you know what? For 11 nights stay, this will do us nicely. Very good.